Lahore, former Prime Minister Imran Khan on Sunday lashed out at the former army chief again, alleging that Qamar Javed Bajwa stabbed him in the back and what his set-up was still active in the establishment to stop the PTI from coming back to power. Speaking to reporters, the PTI chairman claimed that the Bajwa stabbed me in the back, but now he was expressing sympathy for him. Mr. Khan said the ex-chief was not interested in accountability of the corrupt, which lead to terse relations with him. I feel the change of attitude in retired General Bajwa after he was given an extension, and slowly I was hammered with a message that I should give up on the matter of accountability, he said. Mr. Khan alleged that the former army chief had hired ex-envoy Hussain Haqqani for lobbying, who launched an anti-defamation campaign against him and promoted Mr. Bajwa in Washington. Speaking about details of his last meeting with Mr. Bajwa, Imran Khan said the former army chief called him a playboy. I reply, I told him yes, I had been a playboy. He also said the campaign to prove him as anti-American was launched from Pakistan, and whatever US official said was fed from Pakistan. Mr. Khan claimed that PTI's three MPs were being pressurized by the establishment to abstain from the vote of confidence to be taken by Chief Minister Pervez Elahi. The MPs have shared their experience about who, where, and how the messages are being transmitted to them, he claimed. Mr. Khan added that he has no contact with the establishment, as he termed it a one-man show. He said the establishment could play a role in driving the country out of political and economic crisis. Free, fair, and credible elections is the only way out to lead Pakistan to political and economic stability, he said. He said the MQM Various factions were being gathered on one platform in Karachi, while the BAP was being persuaded to join the Pakistan People's Party. Full stop. Answering a question about returning to assemblies, the PTI chairman said that there was no use in going back to assemblies as all legislation were being passed unhindered. Full stop. The PTI's return to assemblies will, however, be tantamount to accepting the PDM government, he added. The PTI chairman said Foreign Minister Bilawal Bhutto Zardari knows nothing about diplomacy, particularly Pak-Afghan relations. Full stop.